If you want to increase the visibility of your content on social media, you need to optimize it for the specific algorithm used by the platform. Here are some tips for optimizing your content. 1. Post engaging content. Engagement is one of the most important factors that social media algorithms use to rank content. To increase engagement, focus on creating content that is relevant, interesting, and visually appealing. Aim. 2. Use relevant hashtags. Using relevant hashtags can help your content get discovered by users who are interested in that topic. Make sure to use hashtags that are relevant to your content and that are currently trending. 3. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building a presence on social media. Make sure to post regularly and at a consistent time. This will help your followers anticipate your content and keep them engaged. 4. Utilize paid advertising. While organic reach is important, paid advertising can help you reach a larger audience. Use targeted advertising to reach users who are likely to be interested in your content or product. In recent years, social media algorithms have become vital tools for social media platforms to ensure that users have an engaging and relevant user experience. However, social media algorithms are complex and ever-changing, depending on various factors such as user behavior, demographics, device usage, and engagement levels. Understanding how these algorithms work can help individuals, content creators, and businesses make informed decisions that boost their online visibility. It is also essential to note that social media algorithms favor high-quality content that attracts engagement from users, such as comments, shares, and likes. Therefore, individuals and businesses must focus on creating quality content that adds value to their audience's life, whether entertaining, informative, or educational. Another tip for optimizing content for social media algorithms is to use relevant and trending hashtags. Hashtags help social media algorithms collate and categorize user-generated content, making it easier for users to discover new topics, people, and brands to follow. By using relevant and trending hashtags in your social media posts, you increase the chances of your content reaching a broader audience. Consistency is another crucial element in optimizing content for social media algorithms. Regularly posting quality content at specific times helps to keep your audience engaged, making it more likely that they will interact with your content and boost your online visibility. Lastly, businesses and content creators can use paid advertising to reach a broader and more targeted audience. Paid advertising allows you to create customized ads that reach users who are more likely to engage with your content, thus increasing your chances of receiving high engagement levels. By implementing the tips mentioned in this article, individuals and businesses can optimize their content for social media algorithms and increase their online visibility. However, it is also important to recognize the potential downsides of these algorithms, such as the creation of filter bubbles and limitations on smaller businesses' visibility. As users, we must be vigilant about the content we consume and actively seek out diverse viewpoints and opinions. By balancing the benefits and downsides of social media algorithms, we can make informed decisions about our online presence and contribute to a more diverse and engaging social media landscape. Social media algorithms play a crucial role in this, as they determine which content will be displayed to users. Understanding how these algorithms work and optimizing your content accordingly can help you increase your online visibility and engagement levels.